Hello everyone, I am Durga Bhavani. I would like to take this opportunity to share my experiences of a mother, especially being a mother of Arya Janani program, Ramakrishna Math, Hyderabad. Initially, I was actually very skeptic about the program and I really didn't had any belief in this. But some instances during my pregnancy made me to believe in this program, Arya Janani. Actually, during my pregnancy, when I went to meet doctor for my regular scans, I was diagnosed with few risks. It was actually a high risk pregnancy. When doctor used to tell me the risks associated with this, I used to feel very low, depressed and kind of very anxious. Then I thought, what would I do? I know that this kind of mindset is really not good either for my baby or myself. So I thought I'll take a trial of this program and I'll start the things said in the mud. I started meditating, I started praying for the well-being of my child, for a healthy lifestyle, for a healthy baby and the risks to subsume very soon. To our surprise, we found that in the next scans, the risks were very low and to that matter, almost all the risks were subsided. Even the doctors were surprised at the results and you can see here how healthy, happy the baby is. He is very happy, healthy, active baby as you are seeing now. He is doing marvelous job and miracles since his birth. All through my pregnancy, I made a habit of healthy lifestyle, say eating well-balanced food, doing exercises, chanting mantras, listening to the music. I should thank my husband, Mr. Akash Reddy, for supporting me in all the ways. He used to read out books to the baby and talk to him at least 30 minutes a day. So I could relate all the prenatal influences on my baby as soon as I delivered him. I was daily looking through a photo in my room and I was imagining my baby to be like that. And to our surprise, the baby was almost same like what I have imagined. Also, not only that, many prenatal influences I am able to see in him. He enjoys listening to the music more. He responds to his father's call very soon. He just turns towards his father when his father calls out his name from day one. From the day he was born, he was like able to recognize his father's voice. Not only this, baby, whenever he was like bit cranky or was crying, whenever I used to chant Om mantra to him, he used to stop crying immediately.
No, Chitty, 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 Erodama, Janet, Janet.
A mother's strength is greater than all the natural laws. This is what I believed when I gave birth to this baby. Overcoming all these consequences, the baby was very healthy, happy, courageous baby. Not only this, he could reach all his milestones on time. 1 year old baby, he's already talking, as you see. So many mothers might have this doubt, or the people who are seeing this seminar. Why should we take all these steps during pregnancy? Why can't we do it after delivery? So what I believe, and here as many of you know, the first 1000 days of baby life is really very precious. All the babies are equally capable and take all the information or absorb everything from their surroundings. So I don't want any mother to lose their baby's precious time like wasting these 9 months. Secondly, in today's lifestyle, most women are subjected to some or the other problem and are feeling a kind of stress, depressed. Having a healthy mind and a healthy body is really essential to have a healthy baby. Apart from this, even if mother wants to do a lot for her baby after the delivery, it's really not possible due to circumstances. If suppose she's a working woman, she cannot spend lot of time with the baby. So pregnancy is the only time where the mother and baby is together and can do amazing things. So after all these things, I believe mother's womb is the greatest place for learning and development. Every mother has the capability to shape the destiny, if not the personality of her baby. So I request all the mothers to make use of the program like Arya Janani and give birth to beautiful babies who are good humans of tomorrow and make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.